Olbos Studio completes the first part of a late 1800s Bed-Stuy townhouse renovation for a cosmopolitan couple. The traditional grungy bricks become the backdrop for this surprisingly colorful yet elegant interior project. The layout of the living area was maintained open to allow natural light in from the opposite sides of the facade throughout the whole day, enhancing the perception of the rare high ceiling of the original construction. The soft velvety blue Camelionda sofa by B&B Italia is complemented by the pop yellow roly-poly armchair, while all the colors of the project are replicated by the mirrored coffee table at the heart of the living room. An eye-catching Tobia floor lamp by Foscarini completes the composition by opposing the horizontality of the sofa playfully. Just like the bookcase, the custom-made kitchen brings an artisanal touch to the project, making it exclusive and timeless. Developed along four sides, it was manufactured with clean details and painted to obtain an impeccable matte petrol green in Turin, and it features state-of-the-art appliances and durable, elegant interior finishes of the cabinets. The unique terrazzo tops and backsplashes are made of a special composition of concrete and color engineered and manufactured in Verona. The elegant blue of the panelings wraps around the whole parlor level, holding together the colorful accents and toning down the light to guarantee a feeling of calmness. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI home design ideas, we'd appreciate it.